This is the 2020 Amigo Bellagio 150cc moped, also known as a Chinese bike. Had brake chatter noises where it sounded like it was grinding, and I'll show you a video of that sound. So we are going to take the front axle off the wheel and the brake and spray some stuff on it and then put it back together, and then we'll go from there. But I'll show you. The only thing you have to do to take the front off is there's a bolt right here, and the same one on the other side. This plastic cover comes off, and then there's a main, the axle nut, and the axle itself is right here. It's just a bolt on the end of a big long nut, or a big long bolt. And then you take that out, pull it out, the wheel will just come right off. Obviously you have to have it jacked up on something. And then these two Allen screws right there and right there are what hold the pads in. So when you pull those pads out, this will slide. So once you pull the pads out, this will slide off, and then you'll be able to get to the pads to be able to spray this stuff on the back. This is an example of the brake chatter I was talking about. So after inspection of the brake system, the only thing I could find that was vibrating or showed any gouges or showed that it was touching was right here on the back of the pads. Now remember that this moped has 24 miles on it, not 2,400, 24, and it was making that noise that I just showed you. So the first thing that I think it might be is this, is it vibrating right there. So I'm gonna spray some of that disc brake whitener on the back and see if that helps. Now I sprayed it with this disc brake quiet from Permatex. Have to let it sit for 10 minutes before I reassemble. Now that it's been put back together, I took it for a test drive and there's no noise whatsoever, so it fixed the issue.